Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to educate yourself on personal finance through Bright. Do you want to boost your financial knowledge? Bright offers easy ways to level up your money game right inside the app. Here's how. First, open the Bright app and tap the Learn or Resources tab at the bottom. Scroll through curated topics like budgeting, credit building, investing basics, and debt management. Tap any topic to unlock short articles, videos, and quick tips designed to be practical and beginner friendly. Use the search bar to find exactly what you need, like emergency funds or how to avoid late fees. Bright also recommends learning content based on your recent activities like spending trends or financial goals. Enable notifications to get weekly financial tips straight to your phone. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up, Bright makes learning money skills fast, easy, and useful. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your wallet. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.